In this guide, I'm going to show you all of the new working codes here in Fisch Roblox for the brand new update. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. If you already just hop to the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this, we'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. A few things to note before we do get into this though, these codes are case sensitive, so make sure you're typing them exactly as shown on screen. Capital letters do matter, and on top of that, if you are having any issues, I would definitely recommend just trying entering in the code one more time. 90% of the time, issues are caused just by misspelling something. But to actually put in these codes, what you're going to want to do is select menu up in the very top and then scroll down and you're going to see this code section in here. This way you're going to want to type in all of your codes, and you working code right now is ASTRAEUS. Go ahead and type that in, spelled exactly like that. I know it's kind of hard to see if you have to screenshot and zoom in. That's completely good to go. But essentially, just type that in, hit enter, and it'll redeem it for you. Just keep in mind you do have to be at least level 5 in order to redeem that. But yeah, as of right now, that is the only working code here in Fisch Roblox. If you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. Stay tuned for even more codes. I'm going to be uploading a ton of code videos in the near future, so stay tuned for that. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.